Hey, so my trainer promised me say I'm gonna help me get a bigger already in legs and glutes today. And let me tell you, I'm pretty excited. Even though I never eat. I don't know how people work out and don't eat. Me, I have to eat before my workout, before my record, before my perform, before my everything, honey. I don't know where to get the strength from, but I don't operate that way. So really and truly, if I'm gonna be honest, I was dying through the whole workout. Watch it. Boom. All this, where this far? Where this far? I don't understand where that part is for. God no, I have to question him. But yeah, you see how hard honestly me I work? I'm working real hard and I put in the real work. Because I say no, I don't want to go do things and the things gonna mess up and then my body spoil. So I just have to go and I put in the work. And if I see this within the next 7 business days, this man is fired.